You're fine. I want to see how he does.
Yummy,
That
Bubba.
felt good.
Ain't that yummy? It smells like roadkill. Is that his first time eating it?
No, he ate peas last week, and this week is squash.
Chuck, you look too comfortable over there. You ain't got ball practice? Mike Brackett.
Yeah, I know Mike real good.
I know him. We play ball together. We left here last time we babysat and went over to a Mexican restaurant. And I'm sitting there eating and guess who sits there? Mike Brackett. I didn't know he did right over
I can do it by myself. I know you're busy, Mama.
We got talking.
You're not getting my camera.
Play ball for us for a while.
He played ball last year. He just joined our team.
He was trying to get me playing on Tuesday morning league at 9 o'clock.
Yeah,
Camp Taylor.
yeah.
Easy, good.
So, man, my ball days have been long gone.